Hello, Seattle! Hello, Seattle! And thank you for your urban gardens, habitats for wildlife. But did you know that you've been the habitat for another wildlife? Cults! That's me in my favorite cult, the Love Family. In 1968, we're like, man, you don't have to go to Nam. Come up to the top of Queen Anne Hill. We're building the Love Family. What could go wrong with that? Well, we went out to the country and we shared outhouses, yurts, and one day I said, I'm not a conservative anymore. I'm a liberal, a flaming liberal, and I'm living in a commune with values. We are one. That sounds good. Love's the answer. Yes! Now's the time. Well, why not? And then I got a call from my mom. Hello? Hello. Have you seen the National Enquirer? No. Well, you're not in a commune. You're in a cult. I am? Yes, and you better get the heck out of there. You're going to be an old lady by the river with nothing. You were right, Mom. And in 1968, we broke up, and everybody blamed the leader. But I'm blaming the times. Because I remember the 60s like it was yesterday. There was a lot of happy people, and peace was the way. And we all went to Washington, and we marched for civil rights. And then they killed King, and our world turned to night. And we bowed our head, and we prayed for a better day. And when we opened our eyes, whoa! 70s was the way. And we were still marching, joined arm in arm, and all of us were yelling, get out of Vietnam! And then it was over, gone in a flash. Hey man, I need some cash. And along came Reagan, and the 80s were in, and smoking of the herb, it was a sin. Well, it's almost 2020, and elections are on trend, and I don't need taxes, I need dentures and depends. So that's me 40 years ago with our children, and 4 months ago with the children of the children, one of whom is here tonight. And he's going to sing for you one of our anthems by a young man named Integrity that speaks to our vision. Please welcome Seattle video producer, New Israel.
We're gonna start ourselves a brand new country, a beautiful place where we don't need no money. We got good clean water, wine and milk and honey, yeah. Don't you wanna come along? Don't you wanna sing this song? Don't you wanna come along with me? Let the people say, I believe in love. Let the people say, we are one, we are one. Let the children sing and shout. Show everybody what it's all about. Singing, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Thank you, New Israel. Well, we failed as a cult. How bad is that? But to keep a family together, it's not money, it's not technology. Love is the greatest power, and now is the time. Thank you, Seattle.